I'm back out at the compost pile. I made a little short video about my tomato plant missing. I was really upset. Mostly upset at myself because I thought maybe I had done something with it and just not remembered. It scares the hell out of me. I actually thought that maybe I was going senile. Or the beginnings of, the other ones that I fear. Anyway, I did pull up, the vine that was growing out here because I knew that it wasn't going to do anything for me. And I did put that on the compost pile. But I did not touch the tomato plant. I know for a fact that I did not do that. Look at my other little video I did. I did come out here and add a couple of things from the kitchen this morning. Some more coffee grounds, egg carton, eggshells, cardboard, some kind of dipping sauce for chips. But I looked in here. That tomato plant is not on the compost pile. It's just gone. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about my one and only potato. My one and only potato. So, this is the potato. It's already got a little spider living on it. I'm going to take this potato and plant it. Because out of those bags that I'd brought out, I did the other video about the ones that had gone bad. This was the only potato that was left. So I'm going to go over to that other garden area, and I'm going to plant my potato. The leaves have been falling off the trees. Won't be long until all the trees are bare. And I'll be taking all those leaves and putting them in my compost. This is the same 4x8 square that I had put the sweet potatoes in. 1, 2, 3 sweet potatoes. So I'm going to choose this corner right here. And I'm going to put this potato right down in there. Good spot. Right down in there. Down to the dirt. Cardboard. Whatever that is down there. And I'm just going to stick him in there. And then I'm going to try to put this in there without breaking those little stems that are popping up. Just, yeah, there we go. Little puff, what are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? Making noise? Little Puff likes to play on the cardboard that we have. Alright, so I think that little potato should do okay right there. If it starts growing and putting the top up, then that's wonderful. I need to get out here and clean this place up. The panoramic view. Okay, so the one and only potato.